This is how to change name on Facebook. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook app. Once you are logged into your Facebook app, now here you have to simply click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the gear icon at the top or scroll down, go to the settings and privacy. After that, here click on the settings, and now here you have to click on the meta menu. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to select your profile by clicking on the profiles option. After that, it will open this page. Here you have to click on your Facebook profile. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page. Here you have to click on the name option. Once you click on it, now here simply you have to add the name that you want to change. After that, click on the review change option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now here it will give you two name suggestions. Here you can simply pick either any one of these. After that, click on the save change option. Once you click on it, now your new name will be saved at the top of your profile. So that's how to change name on Facebook.